Yes, hello guys. ChatterBox Mumsy, and right now I'm doing this. Nag-repotting, nag-replanting sa mga old plants ko, and then this is what I've done, but it's not really a lot. While I was guest sa panel ni Sid Vlogs, and while he was doing his live streaming, I was there, part of the panel. So itong mga ito, yeah, this was from the pot, and then I'll just put it back on the, nilagay ko na lang sa ground. Yeah. Iuyog ang camera. Hindi siya steady. Anyway, and also this one, right? So I've been thinking magtanim ako ng roses siguro soon. And yes, a lot of things to do talaga. Sana while the weather is very nice. And I'm hoping I can manage to beautify my garden again, because it's been a while that I've just neglected it. Although when I started to use my hands, and then was this really contents with candidates back. They miss me a lot. So yes, yeah, ang nangyari na yun is malaki pa hanggang sa kabila. And then I've been thinking, what else this is what I have done. And in this part, dito ko ilagay yung apple, the Domestica Golden Pearmint is an apple, yeah. At dito, tanggalin ko to, ilagay ko dyan, right? And dito, this will be all Ethan's job. Kasi dito ang spot niya, otherwise magagalit niya. And then, of course, my fish pond. Yes, mag-iiba ka rin. And then, ito din. Ito. Flowers dito. See? Babalik pa siya. Roses ko. And dito, cut this. Cutting lang kailangan talaga nito. According to my next door. Yeah, next door ko dyan. Next door. Si Allen. Mega shoutout to Allen. Si Allen, my next door. May isang puti din siya. Siguro. Kasi para may mga kasama siyang mga ibon. Dito siya. Lagay ko. Dito kaya. Nakita ng granddad ni Ethan. Matagal na. Wala na. Patay na. Kawa. I need to throw this away. Guys. So I'll put a new plants on this. Okay. Ito kasi maduwindi. Ay, maduwindi po ako dito. Yes, these are my little friends. Ganyan ko lang sila. Ganyan. Tapos si little squirrel ko. Tapos little, mga little sa Poundland ko to nabili. Oy, tag 1 pound. 1 pound, that is 65 pesos in our country. Right. So, ito. Naputol siya eh. Dito na lang siya ilagay. Para hindi siya obvious na putol ang kamay niya. Ganyanin ko siya. Ito. No, mag-create naman ako ng bahay dito. For my duwende. Wala lang. Then, ito, flowers ang ilagay ko dito. Flowers. Yung mga maliliit na mga flowers. Later on, garden ko yan. But not right now. Yan lang kayo. Mga gamit. Later on na. Diyan. Dating tayo dyan. Okay. Yes. As you can see here, the Acer maple tree or the Acer palmatum. Yes, this is one of my best tree. And then in a broken pot. It's a big massive pot na sira po because I just asked it from my father-in-law. And because I love pots that is broken already, because I can design it, I can give a clever ideas on that. So these are one of my ideas with the little peoples, with my duendes, and then little squirrels, little houses. Then later on I will design it. Yes, ang tagal talaga niyang, siguro malaki na ang ano nito sa ilalim. And then maganda to pag nag-flowers na to. It's been few years already. Indoor lang ito ba na roses. At ang ganda na. Sana mas gaganda siya this summer. Bato ginanito kasi nire-reconcile ko ang kulay ng tanim. Ito naman, sa galing dito sa ano. Ito maganda itong klase nito. Acer to. Hindi pa yan mga ano, once lalabas na ako yan. Ito maganda din to, yung flowers niyan. Yan, ito maganda din ang flowers nito. So yan, nice guys. Once maglabasa na ang ano, ang tulip lang wala ko. Hindi ko nataniman. Next time na. Isa lang ang daffodils ko. Ito. I can't wait for this. Malaki talaga ang ano nito. Hydrangea. Ang ganda nito. At ito din. I can't wait. Itong climbers ko. This one. Yeah. The colors are red. Ang ganda nito. So yes guys, see you around. This is ChatterBox Mumsy on my third day in my gardening. We'll see what will be the come out of this garden when it started when the plant started to go back to its life again, especially looking forward in summer. See ya.